To create different saves for your project timeline, go to Edit, Preferences, Save and Load, and then increase the number of save versions. For example, we'll set this to 3. Then we're going to close this. We're going to make a save for our Project A file. Then we're going to create a few actions and save after each one. Here I've replaced the cube with the monkey object, and I'm going to save. Then I'm going to add some resolution with subdivision surface. Save again. Then I'm going to rename my Suzanne monkey head and save one more time. Now I want to load a previous version of the project, so I'll go to Open the File Browser, come to this menu right here and enable Backup.blend files. If I scroll down, I should be able to find my Project A.blend file. The higher the number, the further back in time we go. So if I choose Project A.blend 3, for example, it takes me back to when I had the cube object. If I go to Open once again, and I'll have to enable this again, and this time select Project A.blend 1, it brings me back to the point where I had Suzanne with resolution.